News: Percy Jackson and the Olympians premieres early on Disney and Hulu. In a delightful Christmas surprise for fans of Rick Riordan's popular book series, Percy Jackson and the Olympians has arrived on Disney and Hulu one day earlier than expected. The highly anticipated adaptation was originally scheduled to premiere on December 20th, but viewers can now dive into the mystical world of Percy Jackson a night early. Based on the best-selling novels by Rick Riordan, the beloved fantasy series follows the adventures of Percy Jackson, a young demigod who discovers his divine heritage and embarks on thrilling quest. Alongside a group of other demigods at a camp called Camp Half-Blood. With a captivating blend of Greek mythology and modern-day storytelling, Percy Jackson and the Olympians has garnered a massive fan base. The series boasts an impressive cast, with rising star Logan Lerman taking on the role of Percy Jackson. The ensemble also includes familiar faces such as Alexandra Daddario, Brandon T. Jackson, and Jake Abel, who bring the beloved characters from the books to life. Disney and Hulu's decision to release Percy Jackson and the Olympians ahead of schedule is undoubtedly a gift for fans who have eagerly awaited the adaptation. With its blend of action, adventure, and mythological elements, the series promises to be a thrilling journey into the world of gods and monsters. This early release exemplifies the commitment of Disney and Hulu to provide quality content to their subscribers. By allowing fans to access the highly anticipated series sooner than expected, they are responding to the demand and excitement surrounding Percy Jackson and the Olympians. This move further solidifies the streaming platform's dedication to providing diverse and exciting programming options. Fans of Rick Riordan's book series can now indulge in the magical universe of Percy Jackson ahead of the planned premiere date, with compelling storylines, intricate world building, and captivating performances. Percy Jackson and the Olympians aims to captivate both longtime fans and newcomers alike. Audiences can catch Percy Jackson and the Olympians now on Disney and Hulu, providing a perfect opportunity for viewers to embark on an exciting and enchanting adventure during the holiday season.